Ever wondered how AI-powered music videos are blowing up on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram? Want to create one that goes viral? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact step-by-step process to create stunning AI-generated music videos that grab attention and skyrocket views. First up, you need to pick the right AI tool. Here are my top 3 platforms for generating eye-catching AI music videos. 1. Kaiber AI, great for trippy, animated effects. 2. Runway ML, best for realistic AI video editing. 3. Pika Labs, ideal for creating AI-generated music visuals. Most of these platforms allow you to upload a song, type a description, and let AI generate stunning visuals automatically. Next, you need a unique visual style that matches the mood of your music. Experiment with Cyberpunk Glitch, perfect for electronic or futuristic beats. Dreamy Watercolor, great for lo-fi and chill music. AI-generated anime, best for J-pop.